introduce who you are and what you do in your business.
Hi, my name is Prakash Kumar. I am the Managing Director of YWS Learning. This is an initiative of Initiated Indian Students Private Limited in India, and we're proud that I'm talking to Kath, who is bringing a lot of value, a lot of happiness around the world. What I do, when you say what do you do on Monday, is a Mad Monday. For me, we do all the planning on Sunday to start on Monday. For me, Monday is an amazing day to bring a lot of cheers entire week, right? And we plan to do with the team, we plan to do with the family, we plan to do a work and a fun on the weekends, what to do on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's an amazing Monday for me. I really enjoy the most, actually.
Good day, it's so good to see you again. Can you tell me, what do you do on a Monday morning that sets you up for the rest of the week and makes a difference?
On a Monday morning, I make my task list for the week and also my gratitude list for the last week, and that sets the tone for me to work energetically for at least 16 hours a day.
That's awesome.
I am Jugal Ray. I'm founder director of Jasna Hospitality, and on Monday I start my day with a lot of energy to take care of the entire week, and yes, which is helping my company.
That is fantastic.